What's up, guys? Today we are back here in New York, guys, and we are disembarking. So guys, in a few minutes I'll be out of the ship. Gonna meet my former classmates in high school. So let's go and meet her. Let's go. Alright guys, so we're finally back here, guys, and with me I'm joined by Cecil here and my classmate Mailou, and together with my wife here, Darien. Welcome to Connecticut. So what can you say about Connecticut?
Connecticut is a nice place to stay for us.
What about you, Cecil?
If you want snow, come here to Connecticut.
Great White North, guys, here in Connecticut. So guys, you can see here, guys, that it's actually, the trees are like, how do you call it, love?
Unsa ba?
I'm not sure if this is like a maple tree. So what kind of tree is this, is it?
That, I don't know what kind of trees that.
Wild trees.
Wild trees, guys.
For sure, there is no Nara tree here.
So guys, we're now traveling along, what highway is this? Is it?
Merritt Parkway. This is like a local state highway.
And then yeah, we're gonna go to Darien first before we go to Shelton. Alright, come with us. Alright guys, so we're here at Tita Jane's house, guys, here in Darien. And hi Sel! Alright, so guys, we're just gonna go in, guys, and check the house, guys. So let's go. Alright, so we're gonna go in. Alright guys, so I'm just showing you guys what a...
Where is Jane's house?
Jane's house. What a normal house here in... usual house here in Darien, guys. And this is like very... for the rich and famous, like Jane here.
I'm the rich and the famous.
She owns this house, guys, by the way.
Thank you. God bless us.
Alright guys, so yeah, you would see here, guys, it's very, you know, I don't know, it's in terms of architecture, guys, I would love to, you know, to have this kind of house, guys, where you have a very high ceiling, guys. Look at that, very nice. Wow, such a large TV, guys, and you had a large living room. I wish, you know, I could go around and how do you call this, run around this, guys. Madakop guys ba? Alright guys, so just have a look, guys, at how the basement looks like, guys. Very expensive, guys. You have billiards, you had an ABR on the side, you had a gym, guys, and you have a bar. Alright guys, so we're gonna go out, guys, just to show you what the pool is like here, guys. So this house is a pool, guys, and it's actually the pool here, there, it's being covered right now, and there's another pool house there, guys, where you could, you know, hang up. Tita, thank you for the tour. Say hi to our friends in Davao.
Hi, how are you? Happy trip. It's nice meeting you.
Take care here.
Okay, Tita.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Okay.
Bye-bye. Take care.
I've been up all night drowning by myself. You've been up late night looking for yourself. I've been taking me time, feeling overwhelmed. When you're on your worst night.
Right guys, so we're finally back here, guys, and we're on our way to, where are we going, Sel?
Clinton Premium Outlet.
Alright, so we're currently running along I-95 highway, guys, and we are just looking for, nangita may kano, guys, outlet kaya sa dere.
Ay, mag-shopping si
Gusto ko
Mario.
daw niya mag-shopping nito sa dere.
Mag-shopping para daw sa pasalub.
Walang kwarta, guys. Ay, wala na naibutangan sa bagahe.
Nangitag sale, guys, abot lang, cross fingers ko na ba.
Things I put away. All my masochistic ways. I'll take things to know.
Alright guys, so abot na gid mi diri, guys, after how many hours, Sel?
1 hour and 2 minutes.
1 hour and 2
After
minutes.
1 hour of 2 minutes by our fast driver here, who drives for the Fast and the Furious, guys, Cecil. So yeah, it took us like 1 hour or 2 minutes here, guys, from Darien to come here at the Milton Crossing outlet guy, because here in the outlet guys, daghan kay mga sale there guys, and it's actually a favorite stop guys. If you're in the US, look for any outlets guys in every state guys, like the Tangiers. This one is Milton Crossing here in Connecticut guys. All right, so we're just gonna go around guys and look for something to buy, cheap ones. All right, let's go. Pero guys, mangaon sa dawmi guys. Alright guys, so mangaon na daw may hot dogs guys and burgers guys, and this is actually just like a preliminary guys, because Mailou here is gonna cook for us guys.
Yeah, later.
Okay, thank you sa donor.
Thank you sa kulang lang sa oras.
pain. But no, I know you still always feel the same. You feel the same. I've been up all night drowning by myself.
Alright guys, so naami karon diri guys nangaon sa outlet guys, and well, pertimbog now. How much is the temperature now, Sel?
52 degrees.
52 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm not sure guys kung pila na siya sa in Celsius guys, but definitely much lower, no? And mo ni gitawag na to pungko-pungko guys. So to mangaon dito sa kilid-kilid. So sa Bisaya nga term ani guys, pungko-pungko. Diri sa Amerika. So nakalahi lang kay siyempre na burger instead of kanang ano pa ng mga pagkaon yun?
Kwek-kwek.
Kwek-kwek na. So instead of kwek-kwek, so we have burgers here guys. Thick ones. Alright guys, so bon appetit. Let's talk to Mailou about, she's the expert on these bags here, apparels guys. So what do you have there, Mailou?
Oh, we have here the shoulder bag worth $529. Now, since it is clearance, it is
Wow.
already worth $339.99 and less 75%.
That's how
So
much?
it will cost, I think, $85.
I didn't know that Mailou is good at numbers guys.
This is my crush. Black bag.
Oh, Dad, let's go for it, Dad.
I don't know.
What about yourself? What is your preference?
I prefer the price. No, we don't look at the item. We just look at the price. 199, least 75%.
Guys, 75% less guys. Take note here at Kate Spade.
It's almost $50.
So guys, come here, Kate Spade. Let's do some shopping. Alright guys, so kibano ba ka guys? Kami mga lalaki guys, when it comes to shopping, it's always like, you know, we just hang around in one corner guys. So they call us like miserable men. Shopping is always like a ladies, how do you call this? Ladies thing or what? Guys, mo nang gitawag guys, ug kanang nakalugsong bitaw. Nakalugsong sa bukid.
Ug sa bukid po ni tinapan iba.
Agoy, patay itong bulsa ni. Diba, Zel?
Ang bulan.
Tawanan. Alright guys, so we're currently now inside Gap guys, and they're having like 40% off guys. So look at the two ladies guys, they're like having difficulty.
$12 guys from $49.99, and in Abrisa guys this is 3,500.
Wow. Alright guys, so finally nahuman na gyud ang shopping guys. Alright guys, so karon guys it's about 5 o'clock in the evening guys, and as you notice guys, it's already like night time, so you could barely see the sun anymore. So lamig guys, so look at Mailou here, it's con todo balot siya guys, and Marian as well. Alright, so in a short while Cecil will be here to pick us up, and then we are on the way to Mailou's residence
In Shelton, Connecticut.
Alright guys, so we're finally here at the city of Shelton guys, and yep, I'm with Cecil here, and we thought about just buying some few items guys. The lobster guys cost around $9.95 guys per pound guys. How are you going to cook them?
They will be the one who will cook it. Steam.
Steam.
Steam cook.
Alright guys, so 10 minutes is up guys, and right now they're actually packing it now guys. So lamig itanawon guys, kay pulong-pula kay isa ba? Steam, so let's see.
Muna ibabang sa to ah.
Kasi taho ka na Sil?
Wabang.
Wabang. Alright, thank you. Alright guys, so we're about to pay now guys. Do you believe that Cecil here owns ShopRite?
Yeah!
Amanda, would you say hi to my friends back home in the Philippines?
Hi, friends back home!
Hi, say hi to Kati Ilinius.
What?
Hi to Kati Ilinius.
Hi, Taku Millennials!
Taco Ilinius. Kati
Kaki
Ilinius.
Alinios.
Alright. Say salamatay.
Salamatay.
Thank you. Bye bye. I got my lobster now. Right guys, so we're finally here at Milo's house guys. And they have a very cozy house guys. So guys, let's go in.
Kini si Miko, no?
Kani ang koan,
Ang eldest.
eldest.
So we're finally here inside Milo's house guys, and you could actually see that it's a very cozy place to stay guys. And we have like two ladies there cooking guys, and let's have a look what they're doing. Isa gibuhatin nyo.
Magpansit me.
What you do? What are you doing?
Bacon, pansit.
Looks delicious.
Yes.
Actually guys, we're both lucky guys because we have two housewives here guys who know how to cook. Diba Sil? Swerte ba swerte? So guys, kamo mga lalaki, muminyo mo, pangita gyud mo kasawa nga kamo mo luto guys. Right guys? Murag si Cecil guys, kamo man mo luto guys. Ako ra gyud siguro wene baw ana ni.
Hi guys, come with us as we have our house tour. So this is the garage. And I love this, what's this? Wall decor guys. Wait, this is the dining area guys. And we're going out.
Kids
room.
studying.
Hi,
Hello.
Kuya.
Guest room. You can sleep here.
Wow. Just so cold.
Put it on a necklace, keeping it 'cause I know that it's mine. I wear it like a message, so I don't forget.
Alright guys, so we're about to leave now guys, and we're on our way to New Jersey guys. That would take us about almost 1 hour and 30 minutes guys. So we're going now. Guys, we're finally here in New Jersey guys, and
Hello, thank you for coming with us in Connecticut. Lloyd, Doki, Lloyd, and Marion.
Thank you.
And thank you also for having time with us, and you came back again to see with us and stay with us.
alright.
Okay.